This tutorial is about the volume of pyramids. Again, a reminder of the definition is the volume would be the number of cubic units needed to fill a given space. So you have a rectangular pyramid, meaning the base, again, remember, names are given because of the base. So our base is a rectangle, so I'm going to go ahead and shade that. So we take 1/3 the base area times the height of the 3D figure. It's 1/3 because if I were to actually make this into a prism, the prism's volume would be 3 times that of the pyramid because your sides come in and go to a point. Okay, so here we go. Transforming that big B, that base area, into the formula for the area of the shape, which is a rectangle, so base times height. So we get 1/3 times base times height times the height of the 3D figure. So we're going to fill in 1/3, 12 times 10, times the height, which will always be a dashed line going straight from the top point down to the base, okay? It's going to be perpendicular. So we're going to take it times 8. All right, so as with all fractions, since we're multiplying all of these together, I can take 1/3 of any one of these and then multiply the rest. So 1/3 of 12 is 4. 4 times 10 is 40. So we get it down to 40 times 8, which is 320. And everything here is labeled in units. So we're going to keep that the same, and cubed. Okay, now going back up to this step right here, if I wanted to multiply all of this out together and then take 1/3 of it, I could. Okay, remember, you can only use that 1/3 one time. All right, triangular pyramids. The base is a triangle based on that name, so I'm going to shade that one. Okay, I always make sure it's the one it's sitting on. Or you can also think of it as where is it that they show me their perpendicular base and height? It's going to be this bottom one. So again, volume is 1/3 the base area times the height. So I'm going to transform this to reflect that that base is a triangle. All right, so I'm going to start filling in 1/3 times 1/2 base times height. So 6 times 14 times the height of my figure, which is 15. All right, now I have 2 fractions in here. I can only use each one time. So I'm quickly going to go 1/3 of 15. Since, again, this works because I'm multiplying all of these together, so it doesn't matter what order you multiply them in. So 1/3 of 15 is 5. So I'm just going to bring that down here. Half, let's do half of 14, which is 7. Okay, so now I've simplified it down to say 6 times 7 times 5. So 6 times 7 is 42. And then 42 times 5 gives me 210. And I am in meters, and I'm going to say cubed. Okay, so one more time, your basic formula for pyramids is 1/3 times the base area, whatever shape that becomes, times the height of the 3D figure. I hope this helps you.